Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and let's get into the video. Happy Holi to everyone, and today you can clearly see here that market opens gap down and it did not move until 2 or 1:30 p.m. and after that it shows some kind of positive movement and trades around that 14,600 level. So I told you on live trading that if it shows any kind of positive movement or negative movement after 1 or 2 p.m. then you can take trade for buying or selling. So as of now it looks positive to me, but it needs to close above 14,600 or 630 or 50. Then after that you can export some buying trade here, and target will be around round level 42,000 to 42,400. But if it opens gap down and if it continuously sustains that zone which is 14,100 or 200, then it may be go sideways for the expiry. Now let's look into 15-minute candle for taking any kind of trade. So in 15-minute candle, you can clearly see here that today market opens gap down and it continuously took support from that 14,100 to 200 level, and when it breaks that higher side which is 14,400, then it shows a positive movement after that. And also as I said, I told you that if it trades above 14,400 350 after 1 or 2 p.m. then it maybe show some positive movement here. Like some buyers took overnight trade, that is the reason why market shows some kind of positive movement here. Let's assume that if it opens gap up above 14,800 and after that shows positive movement, then you can export some buying trade also, and target will be around 42,000. But if it opens gap down and if it trades below 14,250 or 300 and after that if it shows any kind of negative movement, then you can export some selling pressure here, and target will be around 14,100 to round level 41,000. That's all about Bank Nifty. Now let's look into Nifty in 1 candle chart. So in Nifty you can clearly see here that it also made similar kind of pattern as Bank Nifty. It made low around 17,600 and right now it trades around 17,750. So if tomorrow market trades above 17,800 by opening gap up or opening flat and shows any kind of positive movement, then you can take trade for buying, and target will be around 17,930 to round level 18,000. And as of now in 1 day candle chart it looks positive to move, but for taking any kind of buying or selling trade we need to look into 15-minute candle. So in 15-minute candle you can clearly see here that market opens gap down and it continuously took support from that level which previously also acted as a support level, which is 7,600 to 7,640 zone. After that it took support and continuously goes sideways around that closing price which made on Monday, and when it breaks that closing price it continuously shows some positive movement here, and right now it trades around 7,050. So my suggestion would be, as I said, if it opens gap up or if it trades above 7,800 then you can take trade for buying. If it opens gap up around 7,850 or 800 80, then after that if it shows any kind of positive movement you can export some buying trade here also, and target will be around 17,980 to say round level 18,000. But if it opens gap down and if it trades below 17,650, then after that we can expect any kind of selling trade. But as of now it looks positive to me, so we're going to look into only for buying trade. And that's all about Bank Nifty and Nifty. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe my channel, and let's meet on another video.